Welcome everyone to my favorite webtech channel. Today we explore text to video generator site Woxo Tech. After search on Google Woxo Tech, then you will find this link and simply click on here. AI video generator, be free, create in second. AI video generator for YouTube shorts. Create high quality YouTube shorts in seconds with our advanced AI generator. It's really done a great job. You can see the demo video there. From ideas to monetize your YouTube shorts in 3 simple steps. Produce 30 seconds, explain on the basic of cryptocurrency, make 50-second tutorials, meal preps, you can see all things, and publish in profit. You can make YouTube shorts content types. Here you can see. Okay, and they're planning. So first we create this, start generating videos. Click on here, and I sign in with your social account or sign up with your social account. I just continue with Google typed and okay, continue. Sign into Woxo.tech. You can see Woxo.tech video, idea to video F, Woxo update. Why settle for in video when Woxo delivers a faster, smarter, and better experience? Okay, here you can see your profile, and I got 40 credits, account setting plan, Voxo GPT, and minimal. And let's create a video. Here you can see the sample video. Create a video showcasing key innovations, the industrial, and create a video exploring significance of Renaissance. Create a video showcasing primary invention of the digital revolution of pixel background. Okay, so I write here, create a video showcasing men working in a street and mysterious 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 happen mysterious happened occur with him. Use W and mysterious and suspense. Okay, then you find here settings, and you can set your language. uh, Here you find many languages. I to auto detect, or you can find it English. Okay, disable voice if you want to any voice you like. Andrew, here you can listen.
The full moon illuminated the
Okay, then you can choose the mood. Okay, dreamy, romantic, sad, mysterious, as I want a mysterious. Then you can set your caption. Okay, boldify, handy, and color you can pick. Okay, I leave it as it is. Then you can choose the style word by word. Okay, everything is okay, and you can also add brand kit logo, add font, many more. Okay, and another things you can see, as we use free plan, we um, can use just 40 credits. So we have to use Works one, and if you use premium subscription, then you can use Works 2, and it's amazing high quality content, and per generation it costs 50 credits. So let's start. And see, it's doing so fast, and I really appreciate their work, and you can subscribe or you can join their Discord channel and get in great. And okay, let's see the video.
What secrets lie hidden in the shadows of the city? Meet Alex, a street worker who loves his job but feels something's off. Strange noises echo through the empty street, making him pause. Suddenly, a shadow darts past him, quick and silent. His heart races. He knows he's not alone anymore. He decides to confront whatever lurks in the darkness. What he discovers changes everything he thought he knew.